Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming visibility and surface. Measure 4/6 ft from ground and center horizontally. Mark the exact top and bottom of the numbers with a pencil. Once done, verify the substrate. Wood accepts screws, brick needs masonry anchors, vinyl may need backing. You want numbers straight and readable, so hold a level against the face and mark mounting holes through the number template. Make small pilot marks for drilling to prevent slipping. This saves time and keeps holes neat. You will drill straight into your marked points using the proper bit, a masonry bit for brick or stone, a wood bit for timber, and a 1/8 bit for common anchors. Once drilled, insert anchors flush with the surface. This provides a solid grip for screws. Then align the numbers, threading screws through the holes and into anchors or wood. Make sure to use a level again and tighten screws until snug. Over-tightening can strip anchors or warp numbers, so finish with a tidy, secure fit. You finish by sealing and testing. Apply a small bead of silicone around screw heads on porous or painted surfaces to block moisture. Let cure per directions. Then step back to street level and confirm visibility and angle. Make micro adjustments by loosening and repositioning screws if necessary. If any number wobbles, avoid repeated tightening. Instead, swap to larger anchors or use a drop of construction adhesive behind the number for extra hold. If problems persist, remove and inspect holes for damage before re-drilling.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.